Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you some amazing and beautiful crochet pattern designs for baby frocks, baby dresses, and with different color schemes, with different patterns, with different designs. You can use these designs for your newborn baby dresses, for your adults, for your kids, for your baby girls, the way you want it to be. And you can even take the orders for these designs for your customers by showing up these designs to them. So if you like the video, do subscribe the channel, share with your friends, and let me know your favorite baby dress or frock design from this video. So this will give me an idea to come up with the new designs according to your choice and color scheme. I hope you will like the video, and I really want to know your opinion regarding my videos, like how you like it and which color scheme you like the most, and what color patterns and designs you want to see in my upcoming videos. So stay tuned, do follow and press the bell icon button. Bye bye, have a good day.